Welcome to the Jenga Structures Project update. Our team is partnering with community leaders in rural Tanzania to design a reinforced concrete bridge that improves access across the river for farmers and pedestrians. The project addresses a clear community need: reliable crossing, safer travel during the season, and improved access to agricultural markets.
Our work covers civil engineering services across multiple disciplines. We evaluated site soil conditions, developed geometric constraints for a 50-foot span and 40-foot bridge width, reviewed settlement and bearing considerations, and coordinated with the client to understand farm equipment loading and community travel patterns.
Hydrology and drainage design shape long-term performance. We used rainfall data, contours, and the rational method to estimate peak runoff and outline a drainage system that protects the approaches. GCSEE considerations helped us evaluate environmental conditions, water quality impacts, and local construction practices to create a design compatible with regional resources.
The ASCE body of knowledge emphasizes the need to integrate technical decisions with constructability and community context. Our schematic design aligns with these expectations by connecting structural analysis, drainage, and construction sequencing. We developed preliminary schedules, considered local material availability, and scaled cost estimates from TDOT benchmarks to match Tanzanian conditions.
Our schematic bridge solution includes concrete guardrails, full-height fencing for river safety, and solar lighting at both ends for night visibility. We advanced a shallow foundation concept to reduce costs and match site soil capacity. The team prepared drawings, geometry layouts, and early construction plans to communicate these solutions to our client and mentors.
The project aligns strongly with the National Academy of Engineering Grand Challenge of restoring and improving urban infrastructure. Even in a rural context, the challenges frames how we improve access, reduce safety risks, and deliver long-lasting infrastructure for an under-reserved region.
Our team this semester strengthened our technical credibility by engaging with structural analysis, cost evaluation, and interdisciplinary problem solving. It also strengthened our professional credibility since each decision had to be justified relative to performance, budget, and local construction methods.
Service learning shaped how we approach engineering responsibility. Working directly on a real site encouraged us to think beyond drawings and calculations. The client benefits from an engineered solution grounded in safety and durability, while our team gains practical experience designing for cultural, environmental, and logistical constraints.
This project is an opportunity to practice engineering that matters. We look forward to advancing from preliminary design into detailed development next term, continuing to learn from our mentors and clients while contributing meaningful improvements to the Tanzanian community.